Laki ay ano, long press.
Ay, manood kami ng concert daw. Sama mga bida-bida. Matap yun. Oo, sa akin nagbawas eh. Bumalik ka ulit doon sa likod. Sa harapan. Entry. Ano oras na ba?
Yan guys, ito daw yung
Malamig. Bakit pupunta sila doon? Baka doon kaya? Daming tao. Hindi, kumakain sila. Kumakain sila. Ala, doon ata oh. Ayun oh. Ang daming tao. Oh, bilisan natin yung ticket natin. Oh, free daw ice cream. May free ice cream pa oh. Kaya lang habang pila. Arena at Expo. SB19 daw. Ano? Ay, hindi ko napansin. Hindi ko kilala. Ma'am Del. Ano daw? Oh, tawid, tawid. Ay, picture na oh. Ay, picture. Ay, dala nung isa. Daming tao, guys. Haba ng pila, guys. Baka hindi na. Daming tao. Ay, dito na tayo, oh. Ay, dito na tayo. Saan? Ay, umiikot pala. Ay, dito na, dito. Hoy, dali. Kasi yung pila doon sila. Tara, tara. Ang daming tao. Mamaya na lang ulit, guys. Ayan, nakapila na kami. Ang haba ng pila.
Magtyaga kay free ang ticket.
Salamat sa pa-print ticket. Sana makapasok kami.
Nakatalo sila ka nag-rehearse. O, dito na.
Haba ng pila. Malapit na kami sa main entrance.
SB19 pa more! SB19 pa more! SB19 pa more!
Daming tao, guys.
Singapore, this is Justin. Let's see. Let's go. Wow. Woo. Kamusta 18? You know what, guys? We're very happy right now because after all these tours that we've been to, this is the next biggest after our kickoff. So we're very happy that there's a lot of 18 and even casuals that we're able to watch right now. So we're very happy. Thank you so much, guys. How about you? You want to say anything about the
Sadly, we didn't have enough time for, sobrang busy namin. We had a lot of things to do the past few days. And that's why we didn't have enough time, but we enjoyed the food for real. And yeah, I just want to thank Singapore family. Maraming salamat po sa pag-supportan niyo sa amin at sa pagpunta sa aming concert dito. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin lahat. Kaya gusto po namin sabihin na mahal po namin kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Pero maibang muna ako. Kasi pagdating namin dito, sobrang ramdam agad namin yung love and effort namin. Yung pagdating namin sa airport, grabe yung salubong nyo. Para kaming OFW na bumalik sa bansa natin. Pwede ba natin i-try na sumigaw? Dito sa left ko! Sa middle! Dito sa right side! Everybody, make some noise! Woo!
Grabe ang energy.
Grabe yung energy nyo. He will dance to, I want you. But, come on everyone, show Benjamin Kang some love. Let's give it to you. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's so good to see you, brother. We hope to perform again in the future together.
So much, guys.
Thank you so much, Benjamin Kang. Make some noise for Benjamin Kang. Singapore represent. Wow. Woo. So how was it, 18? You know what? When we got the news that Benjamin will be performing here, we got excited because we know he has a lot of fans in here in Singapore.
Ayun po, maraming salamat. So, meron akong story for our next song. So 2 years ago, we had a collaboration with a great artist. It's such a beautiful song. And we are so honored that napili niya kami to have this song together. I'm pretty sure you know this one. So if you know the words, please about it. And the song goes like this.
One question. Tingin niyo ba matibay itong Expo Arena na to? Pwede ba na for our next set, gusto ko lahat kayo kakanta? Means everyone will sing, everyone will dance, and we will tell you when to stand up, okay? And of course, later on, you're gonna know when. So okay ba yan? Okay, let's start with the first objective. Can you all sing with me? Okay lang ba yan? Okay, kakanta ako, sabayan niyo ako. In 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Wait a second, cause we're going to the top and made a bet enough, no one never stop. One more time! Wait a second, cause we're going to the top and made a bet enough, no one never stop. Let's go! Wait a second, cause we're going to the top and made a bet enough, no one never stop. See, we're breaking all the rules, going on a